Today, I'll be doing a project in focus of a luxury development in Mactan, Cebu by AppleOne Mactan Inc. If you're looking for a villa near the beach, then check this video out and click subscribe while you're at it. For a more in-depth discussion on the project, message me on WhatsApp or send me an email so we can set up a meeting. The Courtyard Villas at Sheraton Cebu Mactan Resort is situated in Punta Engaño Road, Lapu-Lapu City, Mactan, Cebu, along an immaculate stretch of private beach with spectacular views of the Hilutungan Channel and Magellan Bay. It is developed by AppleOne Mactan Inc., the premier development arm of AppleOne Properties Inc. Aside from real estate, the company runs several other businesses such as construction, agriculture, financing, hotel, retail, food, and commercial developments. Their Mactan project is a mixed-use, high-end development with three components. So we have the condominium, the Courtyard Villas, and the resort hotel. The condo is called the Residences at Sheraton Cebu Mactan Resort, which is a 22-story, low-density residential condo with only 6 residences per wing. The Courtyard Villas are 4-story buildings located in front of the condo with a total of 36 units that come with their own private plunge pool for each unit. So it's currently around 60% sold. And then we have the 5-star hotel fronting the beach that's 10 stories high with 262 guest rooms and suites with world-class amenities. The hotel is managed by Sheraton Hotels and Resorts. Sheraton is part of Marriott International, which is the world's largest hotel company with nearly 450 hotels in over 70 countries around the world. And Sheraton is their most global brand within Marriott's portfolio. So I actually have a separate project in focus for the residences at Sheraton. I'll put it up in the card above and also put the link in the description. The project was launched last December 2016 with a target turnover in 2023 with a total project cost of 4 billion. So we have 2 unit types for the Courtyard Villas. We have 2-bedroom units at 161 to 199 square meters. So there are around 32 units available. So aside from the 2 bedrooms, there's also an extra room with own toilet and bath for the maid's room. And then we have 3-bedroom units with loft at 260 square meters. So that's 3 bedrooms plus extra room for the maid's room and with its own toilet and bath. There are only 4 3-bedroom units available. Unit prices are between 58 to 68 million. So this project is the first Sheraton branded residences in Southeast Asia, offering unparalleled worlds of luxury and convenience, showing us the best of resort-style living. One advantage of getting a villa is that as a unit owner, you will also have access to various hotel perks, such as their a la carte services, which include in-residence housekeeping, so housekeeping all year round, laundry, drying, cleaning, pressing and seamstress services. So if you're attending an event and need to have your outfit altered, they have a seamstress available on site. In-residence botanical service, so basically you'll have someone to take care of your plants for you if you don't have time to do that, or if you're not always there. 24-hour in-residence maintenance, so if something breaks, you need a light bulb changed inside your unit, it gets taken care of immediately. 24-hour in-residence dining, so if you don't feel like going out to eat, then you can just order in from the hotel. In-residence catering, grocery shopping and delivering, so if you don't feel like going to the mall and buying your groceries, there's someone who can do that for you. Business center, personal assistant and secretarial services, and courier service. So basically, everything you need to live in luxury and convenience, especially if you're always on the go, will be provided for you in this development. We visited the project last August and it truly is a beautiful development. It has a lot of facilities that you and your family can really enjoy, such as like this large courtyard lagoon pool. So not only does each unit have its own private pool, there's also a huge lagoon pool in front of the villa with varying depths that all unit owners can enjoy. I think the deepest is at 4 feet, and then there are really shallow pools like between 1 to 2 feet for toddlers. And then we have residential lobby, fully fitted fitness center, lounge, multi-purpose function room, kids playroom, access to private beach club, mailbox area, 4 residential elevators and a service elevator. So this is located inside the condo because you have to go through the condo lobby to get to the Courtyard Villas, and dedicated parking for each unit. Aside from these premium facilities, the turnover unit is also very high-end and premium. Here is the layout of their 2-bedroom villa with extra room. So it's basically like a bungalow house with a garden, an open deck, and a private pool within walking distance to the beach. And then here's the layout for their 3-bedroom villa with loft plus extra room. So like the 2-bedroom, they also come with a garden, open deck, and private pool plus second floor area. By the way, if at any point during this video, you've decided you're interested in the project and want to schedule a Zoom consultation, send me an email. My contact info is in the description. Their units are also semi-furnished. So all you have to bring is your loose furniture. The kitchen already comes with a dishwasher, microwave, range hood, induction cooktop, lavatory fixtures, oven, double door refrigerator, built-in modular cabinets, island counter, washer, and dryer. And for the toilet and bath, they have this huge lavatory, his and hers for the master bedroom, huge mirror, toilet, shower fixture with glass enclosure, and marble flooring. The master bedroom also comes with its own walk-in closet equipped with built-in cabinets as well. The bedroom and living area comes with split-type ACs. The unit has an open floor plan, so as you open the door, the first thing you see is the living and dining area looking out to the private pool. The flooring of the living and dining and bedrooms are engineered wood planks, giving the space a homey feel. The kitchen flooring is made of marble, as with the bathroom flooring also made of marble. And all the glass in the windows and the sliding glass doors are double glazed with low emission, meaning you still get the sunlight minus the radiation. All the units come with one parking slot already located on either upper or lower ground levels. So unlike most condo projects where you have to buy a unit plus the parking, for this one, the parking is already included, or it already comes with a unit. Another benefit of being a unit owner is that you become an automatic member of Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite. So this is an exclusive club wherein you can enjoy a variety of perks, such as in 7,000 hotels and resorts run by Marriott all over the world. So it includes 25% bonus points on stay, enhanced room upgrade, 2 p.m. late checkout because their normal checkout is 12 noon, welcome gifts of points, faster in-room internet access, dedicated elite reservation line, exclusive member rates, mobile check-in or keyless check-in, no blackout dates, meaning you can reserve at any time during the year, even during peak seasons, cash plus points, and instant redemption. Now here's a sample computation of their unit. So for a 2-bedroom unit with a unit size of 146 square meters, total contract price is at 54 million. Reservation fee is 200,000. The equity is at 20%. So you can pay it in either 12 months or 18 months. So if it's a 12 months, that would be around 1 million per month for 12 months. And then, or 714,000 per month for the next 18 months at no interest. And then the balance can be loaned from the bank. So that would give you a monthly amortization of around 382,000 per month for a 15-year term at 7.5% interest. Now, for a 2-bedroom unit, that's 161 square meters with a total contract price of 56 million. Reservation fee is the same at 200,000. 20% equity can be paid in 12 months. That's at 1.1 million per month, or 18 months at 739 per month for 18 months. And then 80% can be loaned from the bank, and that would give you a monthly amortization of 394,000 per month for a 15-year term at 7.5% interest. And that's it for today's project in focus video. Prices may change without prior notice. If you want the updated inventory and price list on this project, send me an email. My contact info is in the description. If you found this video interesting, all I ask for is a subscribe. And if you want my free home buying guide, things to consider when buying a property in the Philippines, send me an email so I can send you a copy.